Jungle.
So this is the Wilmar Harmonic balancer puller and installer set, item number W8O711. I ordered this kit through eBay for $74.83 shipped, which is the cheapest price I could find it for. This universal kit comes in a blow molded case and fits most applications, including the GM LS1 motors, with its assortment of adapters and screws with various thread sizes. This kit also comes with detailed instructions for removing and installing harmonic balancers, but there's not much out there visually, so I'm going to demonstrate using my Jeep's 5.2 liter V8 motor. Grab the puller flange, which has an integrated bearing. Grab the puller body, which is already threaded around the puller screw, and you have 8 different adapters, so choose the one that threads into your crank. And this kit has a wide variety of fastener sizes, so grab 3 that thread into the damper and start by threading the adapter into the crankshaft. The inside of the puller screw is hollow with threaded walls because it's designed to thread over the adapter. Next, push the puller flange over the puller body with the flat side facing the radiator and thread the 3 fasteners through the flange and into the damper. Once the fasteners are snug, you may notice the flange is loose, so turn the puller body nut counterclockwise to tighten it against the fasteners. And from there, I'm continuing to turn the puller body nut counterclockwise with an adjustable wrench while holding the screw still with the 5/8 or 16mm wrench. This is what gives us our pulling effect. For installation, make sure you properly fit your new damper to the crank and thread the adapter back in place, then thread the puller screw back over the adapter. Then tighten the puller body nut down the screw, turning it clockwise while holding the screw still with the wrench, which gives us our press effect until you feel it bottom out. You'll know when it's properly pressed in because you'll feel it bottom out and won't be able to tighten it anymore.